So hey guys, hello there once again. Welcome back to our channel AR2 Shagun. This is your friend Shagun and here I am back with another product. So basically guys, today I'm with a product that is like or just famous in each and every section of the art. So yes, every single channel I think must have reviewed this. I don't know whether they would have or not, but मेरे ख्याल से सभी चैनलों ने इसका एक बार रिव्यू तो ज़रूर किया होगा. So basically this is what we call Camlin Fabrica acrylic color for multi-surface painting ultra. So this is bought by me from Amazon. You will get the product link below in the description box. From there you can just go and purchase things. So yeah, and the price and the image of the product is mentioned here onto your screen. So yeah, time to open it. Let's see what are the shades that we are going to get inside it. So time to just open it. And yeah, if you haven't watched my previous video, that was this one, please go and just watch that, because that was like a complete fun video for all of us. There we created a just like a wow beautiful piece of art, you guys, and there was a lot of fun in that video. So अगर आपको वीडियो देखना है, I will provide the link of that video in the description box. आप वहाँ से easily जाके उस वीडियो को देख सकते हैं. So yes, here is our product. And let me tell you that what this is all about. So basically we are going to get 15 ml bottle of 10 shades. So yeah, this is what it being said by the company. एंड यहाँ पे आपको नॉर्मल्स इन्फॉर्मेशन दिखेगी, नथिंग टू मच. यहाँ पे आपको सारे शेड्स दिखेंगे. दैट इज़ ब्लैक, वाइट, लेमन येलो, क्रिम्सन, सैप ग्रीन, अल्ट्रामरीन ब्लू, फ्लैश टिंट, लाइट वायलेट, ऑरेंज, बर्ड सियाना. And the price is also mentioned here. It's for 200 rupees, and you can stop the video and read few of the more things that are written over here. So yeah, चलिए अब देखते हैं आखिर इसमें क्या है अंदर सारे कलर शेड्स and how they look like. So here is the packaging, and you can see this is complete plastic packaging, and here is okay. So here a few other things. Okay, it's the speciality of the color. So आप इसे I think you can stop the video and just read all these things. So yeah, and here come the colors. And actually मुझे लगा कि ये थोड़े छोटे पैक होंगे. of the bottle size would be smaller, but they are really great, guys. Oh my god, are you getting this thing? Come on guys, just amazing. So this is how the particular bottle looks like, and this is the black shade that I am having in my hand. So yeah, let's open it. Okay, so here is the black color and the consistency is really good. So yeah, so here's guys, this was all about the texture, the consistency, and let me show you the clear packaging of this. So basically we are going to get like these kinds of places left for the color bottle to be placed. So यहाँ पे ऐसा हम गैप दिया हुआ है ताकि हम इसमें सारे अपने कलर्स रख सकें. So yes, and here come back these colors. So let me show you every single bottle and their color name mentioned on your screen. So this is the very first color. This is light violet, white, ultramarine blue, lemon yellow, sap green, flesh tint, burnt sienna, orange, black, crimson. So yes guys, this was all about the color shades. I hope कि आपको सारे color shades अच्छे लगे होंगे. And now it's time to test whether they are going to work good or not. And you know what guys, for testing them out, मैं अब यूज़ करने वाली हूँ my one of the most favorite and like one of the product जो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आया, and that is also from Amazon. So let me bring in the product into the frame and show you that what I'm just talking about. So here we go. So guys, I was talking about this product. So basically I've already showed you a complete review. Let me bring in this into the camera. So this is the Artist Pro series watercolor. I always used to say watercolor. So this is Artist Pro series mixed media paper, and you can see this is for acrylic colors. So I'm going to test them out today whether they are going to go good with acrylic color or not. So yeah, it's time to test. Let's see what we are going to draw and whether it's going to come good. Okay, so guys, here it is. Finally all the colors are here onto the sketchbook, and let me write the names of all the colors and show you that what the color are. And basically I'm just shooting them here with another one. So yeah, and this is really great. All the colors came really bright, and you all might be able to see the bottles, they are filled up to the neck. So yeah, and I love the texture, I love the like the look they are coming up. So yeah, and here is the complete, only the blue went a bit wrong with me. So yeah, and let me write the name and show you all about the colors and tell you what they are actually. So yes guys, finally we have completed all the work. I have tested all the shades and they came really beautiful. And let me clear this that these are the shades that we are going to get in this pack, and let me show you that what are the shades and what are their number, names and all those things. So here comes the very first, that is this lemon yellow. The color code is 236, and then comes this orange one. I loved it because you know what, it's that bright orange that we always want. So yeah, मुझे इसलिए बहुत अच्छा लगा ये. And the color code is 283. Sorry for that a bit of, not a bit but bad writing, but this is how I just write. So yeah, and the next one is this sap green, and this is 391. Ultramarine blue 436, flesh tint 128, light violet. I love this color shade, seriously guys, this light violet tone really great. So this is like 242, burnt sienna 031, and crimson 062, white 478, and this black 016. So these are the color shades, you all might be able to see them. And I love the quality, and you know what, the paper quality also turned really great. So if you want the same sketchbook, I will definitely provide you the link below in the description box. And it's the perfect paper for your acrylic work. And you know what guys, I did this acrylic color, I used them in a few of my projects before showing you their test. So yeah, I have created few other things for you guys. So let me take you to those places that where I have just tested them. So let me take you and show you that what I have created for you people using this acrylic color. And I have used only this black color in that project. So if you want to see me creating that complete art, I would definitely try to create it again. So if you want something like that kind of project to be created by me, I would definitely try to create that video. If you want me, then please comment down below in the comment section. So let me take you to the place where I have just did something with these colors. So yes guys, here we are at the place, and let me tell you that this is the place where I wanted to be like just in Hindi it's written Krishna, and I just believe in Lord Krishna, and that's the reason why I just painted something like this. So when I painted it onto the wall, the color came really beautiful, and the wall shade is pink, so it popped out more, and that's the reason why I have used this black one, and it feels really good. The few problems just held over here, and here is the picture of you know, the complete statue of the god, and here below it I have created this one. So if you want me to create this project for you people, and you want to see that how we have to write this, you can easily comment me down below in the comment section. I will definitely provide you the complete instruction to do this thing same at your wall, and you can write whatever you just want. You have to do only one technique, and I will definitely try to share all those things. So yeah, this was all about the project. So yes guys, this was all about these colors. I hope that you all would have loved them, and if you want to buy them, you know from where you are going to get them. You are going to get them below in the description box. And let me tell you that the price get changed during sales one and few of the more seasons, so you will find variation in their price, but don't worry, you have to find the perfect time to buy them at the cheapest price and nothing else. I hope that you all would have enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to our channel. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned with us for video like this only, and I'm coming up with more further interesting videos for you guys. So आपको अगर ये पसंद आया, so please don't forget to just click on that subscribe button and hit on that notification bell so that you get notified whenever my new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching. Have a good day ahead.